So we do everything from rolled members. We can roll anything up to 15 inches wide or so. We can roll anything as long as you can put on a truck and ship it. So if you need a 50-foot member, we can do it. When you go to the attachment side of things with the clips, the connectors, we have 3 4,000 watt fiber lasers that are 2 by 4 meters in size. They can cut up to 3/4 of an inch thick material. We have 6 press brakes all within the last 7 years. The biggest advantage to do that is all the controls are the same. So if somebody can run one press brake, they can run all of them in the plant. And that's a huge advantage over having a mixed mosh of machines where they all have their own personalities, their own controls, and some of them can be very difficult to learn. And repetition is the best thing for learning. So the fact that all our machines have the same interface is huge. And that was something that I strived very hard for.